Are you preparing for the NISM Series 5A Mutual Fund Distributors exam, but still not confident about your score? Then you have to give mock tests properly. In this video, I will show you how to use mock tests effectively so that you can boost your score and clear the exam in your first attempt. Let's understand this. Why mock tests are important? Many candidates think mock tests are only for practice, but in reality, mock tests are the most powerful tool to understand the real exam pattern, identify weak areas, improve accuracy and speed, build confidence before the exam. Mock tests can easily improve your score by 15 to 20%. Step 1. Don't give mock tests randomly. The biggest mistake students make is giving mock tests without any strategy. First, complete at least 60 to 70% of your syllabus. The important topics like mutual fund structure, types of mutual funds, NAV and returns, risk profiling, regulatory guidelines. Step 2. Analyze every mock test deeply. Giving mock tests is not enough. Analysis is the real game changer. After every test, spend at least 30 to 40 minutes analyzing that. Which questions you got wrong, which concepts are weak and needs improvement, where you made mistakes again and again. This step is more important than the test itself. Step 3. Focus on weak areas. Once you identify your weak topics, go back and revise them immediately. For example, if you are weak in NAV calculation, then revise formulas. If you struggle with risk concepts, then reread that chapter. Then give another mock test and check performance. Step 4. Practice regularly with updated mock tests. Consistency is key of success. Try to give at least 2 mock tests daily in the last 7 to 10 days or 4 to 6 mock tests per week. Also, make sure your mock tests updated and based on the latest exam pattern. Step 5. Track your progress. Keep a record of your scores. Your goal should be start from 50 to 60 marks, gradually reach 70 to 80 plus marks consistently. Once you are scoring above 85% in mock tests, you are ready for the exam. Using mock tests effectively is the smartest way to clear the NISM Series 5A exam. Don't just give tests, analyze them, learn from mistakes, and improve continuously. Step 6. Improve time management. Time management is extremely important in the NISM Series 5A exam. Answer easy questions first. Skip difficult questions initially. Return to difficult questions later. This strategy ensures that you maximize your score in exam. Final strategy before the exam. Attempt 2 to 3 full-length mock tests. Revise weak areas. Review important concepts. Avoid overloading yourself with too many tests immediately before the exam. Mock tests are one of the most powerful tools for improving your score in the NISM Series 5A exam. If you are looking for the latest updated mock tests at an affordable price, along with short notes and video lectures, you can visit our website www.nismexams.in. Start your preparation today and clear the exam on your first attempt.